Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word farmlands. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The vast expanse of farmlands stretched out as far as the eye could see, with rows of crops swaying gently in the breeze. Farmlands refer to areas of land used for agricultural purposes, such as planting crops or raising livestock, contributing to food production and sustainability. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.